Hello and welcome everyone to another video in the BIM modeling series. Today we are going to be modeling the floors in level 1 and level 2. In order to show you that, I'm going to activate my section box in the property tab. I'm going to move the section box to the inside of the building. We can also, so if you click on the section box, you can click on this control, and while clicking on the mouse you can drag it into your preferred area. So in our case it's gonna be this floor here, over here, and this one in level 2. So now I will go to my project file. In order to model the floors, it's best to do that on the floor plan. So in my case, I will go to level 1. It's also best to use the grids we modeled last time, so we get an accurate dimension. And in order to model the floor, we go to architecture and then to floor, architectural floor, and then in this part we choose in our properties tab the floor generic 150. We are using level 1, and the grids here are from A1 to C7. So for this case we're using the boundary line. We also have other options, but I'm going to show you this in another video. So for now we're using the rectangle line from A1 to C7. I'm gonna check over here, that's fine. We click on finish edit mode, and now in this part we are again going to architecture. We are using the architectural floor, and now we are going from C7 to F5. So we are again using our boundary line because it's quite simple, a rectangular shape. So we're going here to F5, and so click on finish edit. Now we have to change the level, and it's gonna be level 1 living room. So now if I'm checking on in my 3D view, it's gonna look like this. And now we are going to level 2, and we are going again. So we go to architecture, floor, architectural 1. For this level we are using the generic 300, boundary line, rectangle, and then we are again going from A1 to C7, and it's level 2, that's fine. Then we go to edit, finish, and for this video this is going to be it. So we have created here the floor and level 2 and level 1 living room and level 1. So that's it for this video. In the next video we are going to model here the roof in this part and also other elements. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.